Hi everyone, it's Magda from Foyr, and today I'm going to show you how to create a room with a mezzanine. First, we will draw our room. Now we will click on one of the walls. We will have the full wall selected, and now we will change the height of our walls so we can accommodate a place for our mezzanine. Now we will switch to 3D mode. In 3D mode, we will click on Create New Product in the top center of our screen, and with the rectangle tool, we will draw out our mezzanine. Now with push and pull, we will give it some depth. Now we click on Done. Click on the product that you just created, click on a free movement, and go to Edit in the top center of your screen. And now, here under the Y, type in the height on which you want to have your mezzanine. Now we can add some windows, doors, and textures, and we will create our room. We can add stairs and railing for our mezzanine. And your room with the mezzanine is ready. Hope that was helpful. Happy designing!